guys, it's Jack and Mitch here, and today we're going to be unboxing a JBL
Yes, it is mine. I have my Charge 2 here, which we're going to be testing it against the Charge 3.
which
Which
see
sucks.
if it's actually any better. It doesn't
Yeah.
suck, it's actually okay. So this is the box. If you look down here, you have 20 hours of battery life, a microphone, IPX7 water resistant, which means you can go for 30 minutes under
Where
1
is it?
meter. What are you doing?
Down there.
Yep, and also you have JBL Connect and Bluetooth built in, which is a standard nowadays.
Elsa.
Going around the box, you have just a little nice diagram. You also have, just the same thing on the back. So we're gonna get started.
Oh, I like that.
So
It's a very weird thing.
first off, we open up this, and there's a party image in the inside for some reason.
Oh, wow, it's 5C.
Yeah, and it comes with Charge 3 on the box here, so let's go ahead. What is this, camo? Okay, so first off, before we get into the actual speaker, sadly, let's get into this. How do you open this? I don't want to break it. Okay, there we go. So, you just got your standard stuff in here. We're not going to bother about that. And here is the speaker.
Oh.
What's that? Okay, so here is the speaker. It's heavy. This is the JBL Charge 3. We'll just go for like a tour of it right now. So on the top, you have your Bluetooth button, your minus button, power on, JBL Connect, turn up button, and play pause. On the bottom,
When you
have
open it,
all your ports.
it's probably that
Whatever,
high.
that's all your ports.
Hang on,
and
I can get it.
Yeah, there we go. So you have a headphone jack, a USB
To charge your
thingy
stuff.
in, and you have a USB. Yeah.
Not USB.
On the bottom, you have this grip stuff so it doesn't like move. You have the base radiators, and that's pretty much the whole thing. If you look at mine real quick, also you'll notice this goes around the whole thing pretty much. Mine doesn't. Mine stops in the top and stuff. And it doesn't have big buttons. But looking at mine, the JBL logo's changed. I've just realised that.
Yeah.
You're not even focusing on it. So the JBL logo on that one, and then the JBL logo on this one. I like this one personally better because it blends into the actual thing.
I like the orange.
Anyway,
Stands
so
out.
on mine you have turn on, Bluetooth, minus, plus, and this is a thing that's like JBL Connect. It basically allows up to 10 people to access this device at once, and you have your call thing and a microphone. If you look on the bottom, you have all your ports here, so the same like micro USB, you have a headphone jack and a USB out, in, depending on either one. This can charge your phone, so can that one. And then you have your passive base radiators on each side, which I've drawn on because I was 5. Anyway, so do you want to get right into the test?
Yep. So I've got my iPad here.
Do it all on this one, and then I can have the same phone. I mean, the same sound and everything, you know what I mean? So, okay, turning on mine. We're going to turn on mine right now. There we go. You hear
That's
that?
a very weird
The
sound.
old classic sound of JBL. Anyway, we're going to connect them up. So it's connected. I'm just going to turn on this one first.
I'll turn that on.
It sounds so bad.
Really? I love
I
it.
don't like it. Anyway,
And when you turn it on, the bass moves.
yeah, mine does too.
And
Anyway.
then when you turn it off, it also sounds cool.
Just going to press the Bluetooth button. It's going to try
love
searching for a device. Anyway, forget that. So, let's turn you off for now. Alright, so, here's the song we're going to be using. It's a SpongeBob trap remix. Credits go to Kipper. So, here's my one. We're going to start it off at a really low volume. And we're going to work our way up. So, here's 1 bar. Barely hear that. 2 bars.
Now 3.
3 bars, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, almost 12 bars. go
try
ahead
the
and turn
Charge
this off.
3.
Now we're gonna do the Charge 3 and do the exact same thing. Turn her on. Just turn off Bluetooth on yours. Okay, Jbl Charge 3. Let's connect her. Okay, we're connected. Alright. Here's the same song.
Oh, glitch.
Yep. So we're gonna be playing the exact same song again.
Make sure it's 1 bar.
Oh god, yeah. Wait, why isn't it connected? Okay.
No, it's not connected.
Jbl Charge 3 is broken, people.
No, send it out again. It's meant to go. There you go. It's got it.
Wait. Okay, connected.
Yeah, something's wrong with it.
Alright, so here's the same song. What bar are we starting off at? 1?
1.
There's 1. There's 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And we're all the way to top.
Now, guys, you probably can't hear me too much, but it is so much louder.
Yeah, they
to
definitely
us.
improved that, right?
Yeah, definitely.
But I will say my bass is more noticeable.
Yeah.
Like you can hear
Hang on,
that, right?
let's try it with a noticeable song.
No, let me do that, bro. I've got it on here already.
Who cares?
Okay, so bro, you suck. I'll connect to mine and do the same song.
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
still connected, bro.
Connected.
I'm still connected.
And I'm just
still
going to
connected.
go-
I am connected to it. Guys, I
No,
am
you're not.
connected to it.
Oh yeah, because there's up to 10 people at a time.
Same.
So I'm just going to go straight into
I'm
music.
gonna connect to mine
and
to yours.
a normal song.
Which one are we talking? Happy. No, happy songs.
That's halfway, people. That's halfway.
That's about mindful.
That is full, people. That is so loud. Oh my goodness! I think the neighbors are.
Working.
I think the neighbors are going to complain.
Okay, so at about a couple bars, no, about halfway, this is what his sounds like.
And then I just pause it.
I'm gonna search up happy, and yeah, let's get going. Mine's gonna be full, so I'm just gonna turn this down.
His is going to be on full.
Watch my bass, it's much better than yours.
Now, guys, this is the same sound as mine halfway. Can you believe it? Okay, I think that's good.
At the end of it, his is louder, but mine has got more pronounced bass. So if you like bass, I definitely go with my one.
Yeah.
But if you prefer like a subtle sound, go with his. But overall, which one do you think won?
I think yours won, to be honest. It does.
And it's cheaper.
It is
It's
cheaper.
way cheap. It's like $200 cheaper than that. So
Yeah.
if you want a speaker that sounds good, has a lot of bass, and gets reasonably loud, like that was loud enough for me. And
Yeah.
inside as well. This is outside, so it can literally go everywhere.
Yeah.
Like, guys, the sound doesn't bounce off of anywhere. So, if this was inside, I would be, like, double that. So, if you want one, this is probably better. If you have a little bit more money, I'd go with his.
Yeah.
But, yeah, thanks for watching this review, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
Bye.